What up, guys? Welcome back again to the channel. As always, hope everybody's having a great day. And also, if you are new, you're browsing around on the channel, please hit that subscribe button, like the videos, comment, and share. So today, guys, I am taking y'all along with me to this shop that's going to install my YouTube name on vinyl on my windshield, front and back, for me. So I just want to, do a little quick vlog, show you guys exactly what they're going to be doing and how it looks. And also, feedbacks count, y'all. So drop a comment, let me know how it looks. So with that being said, guys, I'll catch y'all when I get there, man. So stay tuned. Alright, guys, so as you can see now, I'm pulling up to Streamline Wraps and Lettering. About to head inside, see exactly what they got going on for me today. Alright, guys, so now just got checked in. I'm about to pull my car in. As you can see, they're already working on the car in there. So I'm about to go get my car and pull in. So be sure to stay tuned, guys, so you can see what's going on. Y'all, catch y'all in a minute. Right, guys, I gotta wait on this guy to move his car in order for me to have access to get into one of those bays. So be sure to stay tuned throughout the whole entire video. Now it's my time to go in. Yes, sir. This is all wrapped?
Yeah. The whole car started out white.
Oh my goodness. That is crazy. That's nice.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah.
And guys, this is from Streamline Print and Design.
We're happy to have anybody come in and get a quote or take a look at what we do. We're on the corner of 16th and Iron. 816-459-7552.
All right, guys, you're the man. So
we do color change, we do business wraps, we do it all.
and me, I'm just getting something cheap done. So hopefully I can wrap this baby with this blue color.
Okay, so something you should be aware of. Windows are kind of shaped like
A little
this.
curvy, yeah.
And so graphics tend to frown a little bit.
Okay.
I can apply it just as is. The other option would be that I make a couple cuts
Okay.
and kind of
Just have
spread
that
the
same
frown.
angle.
So that's up to you if you want me to try that or not.
I kind of wanted to keep it straight. Like you said, I think we're gonna have to cut just to keep it straight on that top evenly.
Okay.
What do you think? Or whichever one you think will look better. And also, I want, if somebody's like directly driving behind me, I want them to be able to see it too.
Yeah, the best thing we can do is put it up high to get it more visible.
Okay.
So let me make some cuts.
Okay. I think this is gonna really turn out nice, guys. So be sure to stay tuned throughout the whole entire video. Got this nicely truck over here getting wrapped. Yeah, cause I didn't want to do it too big to where it was gonna, block my views, but I don't think it would anyways.
figure out where the problem is.
What do you mean with the
Top
D?
of the D.
Yeah, the
D
top,
and
the top of the D. Yeah, because those are like the main capital letters.
Yeah.
Yeah, the D, the G, and then the L. Yep. Yes, sir. What y'all think, man? I like it.
Good.
I like it.
Good. I think I did a pretty good
Yeah, the lining,
job of the
yeah, the lining it up
curling it
is
back.
perfect. Yeah, I like that. I like that. Now I can't get no regular car wash. I gotta do hand wash, right?
Well, I mean, you could do the other. I wouldn't do it for a couple days until it's had a good
Oh, yeah.
chance to wet out.
I got it washed last let's see when, Sunday night or Monday.
I mean, just be aware that if you run it through a machine, I don't warranty after that.
Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna do that. I think I'm just gonna do hand wash at home.
Yeah, and the thing you want to do is not use hot water with pressure on that.
Okay,
So
so peel
if
it
you
off.
use cold water, it's gonna do just fine.
Okay,
Even cold water with a little bit of pressure is gonna be fine.
okay. Somebody behind me, you can read that easily. And just the way the letterings are, like the D, the G, the L. I like those little details.
All right, would you take hold of that?
No
And real
problem.
quick and just be real gentle, because if we pull, we're gonna tear it.
All right, no problem.
I just want to kind of center it on this space.
Okay.
Go ahead and lay it down.
I need more on my side.
Maybe more towards you a little bit.
More?
Okay, right there.
Okay.
I'm gonna measure it.
All right, you guys. Now it's time to do the front.
Going live, huh, Tristan? Yeah.
All right. I'll be sure to put all you guys' addresses, phone number. I think I grabbed the card. Oh, there it is. I dropped it. I'll be sure to put all that in the description.
Okay. Thank you.
No problem. No problem. Thank you. Need more on my side?
Yeah, we're going your way about an inch.
Okay. So you want me to take off the tape?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
All right, gently. A little bit more.
A little bit more.
Right there.
All right.
Okay, now I gotta figure out the height.
We could keep it like, cause since it's not too big, let's see where the darkest spot at right here. Let's keep it right in the middle
Okay.
of like the dark line there.
Right.
So
Brow area.
Yeah. So right center, that'll be perfect. But I've seen a lot of people, they put 10 on their front windshield.
That's really common, actually.
I don't like it though.
I think
Especially at
technically
night.
You have to have a doctor's note.
Yeah, you do have to get a doctor's note.
I had a black Avalon, and I did 50% on the windshield, and then like 35 and like 15 or
15
something.
on the back. I got 20
tell you
all
what,
around.
like-
So I kind of want to do it too, but I don't know if I want to get it done now.
You know how you're saying, like, honestly, it looked like a different car.
Yeah.
It looked like the
It's
car was
total
worth
different.
another $3,000, it looked like.
Oh yeah.
You know? It was pretty fantastic.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna do it. You said you have 50%
I was 50 on the windshield, and then
Okay.
like 35
and then
and
15.
15.
Yeah, because I got 20 all around on the backside. So if I do 50 on the front, ugh.
Yeah, if you get, they'll stop you for 20. On it.
Yeah, I've been pulled over multiple times. Multiple times. I told him.
Ticket on it, or?
No, my first one, he gave me a warning. The second one, I did get a ticket.
Yeah.
And that was like a year ago. Since then, never been pulled over. Which when I asked him, I said, what was the stop for? He said, I couldn't see you. I said, I was just leaving church. I just pulled out the parking lot. He said, well, I couldn't see you, sir. I said, okay. Good to know.
Yeah. Well, you know, they're gonna do what they're gonna do.
Yeah. I told him, I didn't even argue with him. I told him, hey, you're doing your job, so I should have been doing my job too. Which not putting the tent on. Yeah, there's
some people there's just no arguing with, right?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, absolutely. You argue, you get yourself in more trouble.
Yeah.
Two hours later.
Nice.
All right. Okay, I like how that came out.
It came out, like I said, much better than I was thinking. Oh yeah.
All right.
Nice. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Thanks, man.
Oh, I gotta go pay you guys. Yes, sir. I gotta go pay. I can't leave.
So take care of that.
All right.
Take off my tool belt here.
All right, guys. Streamline Print and Design. Check them out. All right, guys. So I am finally done with this whole window YouTube name vinyl installation. So now it is time to head back home, get ready for work. So I mean, they did a really good job. Now, if you live in the Kansas City, Missouri area, please be sure to check them out. You know, they do a lot of custom wraps, printings for t-shirts and all that stuff. They do a lot of different stuff, so be sure to check them out. And also, I'll be sure to post their information down in the description down below. You know, so as always, guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. And like the videos, comment, subscribe, share, please. I wanna grow the channel, and I need all y'all help to do that. So be sure to help me out, and also, you know, comment. Always comment. Let me know exactly what y'all might want to see next on the channel. You know, different things that y'all might want to see from me. So put that in the comment section. And also, guys, like. Thank you for watching. I'll catch y'all on the next one.